We're at Pita Pit. We just ordered. There it is. We're still in lockdown, so we're sitting down on the ground.
Outside with our mask.
Yes, masks here for anyone wondering. But yeah, see how it goes. Brought our little guest Spotty. There he is.
Guard dog.
We got it.
Got the goods.
Now we're gonna eat it. Welcome to another food review by Lizzie and Ryan.
Pita Pit this time.
Pita Pit.
Is that yours?
Yes. We decided to get some healthy fast food because we can't eat McDonald's all the time. It's not gonna work out. And we have our special guest over here, Spotty. Say Spotty, say hi. So I got the chicken bacon.
And I have the spicy prawn, which is like a big shrimp. A prawn is a big shrimp.
Okay, as I open this, a little saucy. I got the small. What'd you get?
I got the regular.
It's kind of falling apart, so.
That's what mine was too.
First bite, all avocado.
Yeah, mine's pretty.
Literally straight avocado.
Mine's pretty wet too. It's like tearing.
I feel like this is gonna be a messy eat. Okay. I'm still yet to taste anything but avocado.
You put it all in one spot?
Yeah, what is going on? I'm gonna have to move this avocado off. How's yours?
Mine's pretty spicy, but it's good. Got a lot of shrimp, black beans, and then the spicy sauce with some carrots and lettuce.
The mess is starting. It's so all over the place. It's all falling everywhere. I finally tasted something other than avocado. It tastes pretty good, but it's still really hard to eat.
Yeah, mine's pretty hard to eat too. It just tore apart because they put so much sauce on it. It made it like kind of soggy. Yeah.
At least we got napkins.
And then the shrimp, I'm getting like some shells on it.
Really?
Yeah, like they left the shell on it.
That's not good. Nobody likes shells in their food. Yeah, look at this.
The flavor's good. Just kind of a mess.
It's just kind of dripping everywhere, you see. What do you think, Spotty? Yep.
It's not the most convenient fast food.
No, but in terms of taste, pretty good. I think it's just the person who made it, really.
This guy Steve.
You remember his name?
Not the best maker of pita pits.
It's the same deal with the bacon as well. Like New Zealand bacon versus American bacon. It's not crunchy here. It's like more like ham. I personally like my bacon really crispy, so kind of disappointing.
You're more Americanized.
Yeah, American people do the bacon right. I must admit. This is about to fall out of my hand because it's so soggy and turn into a salad, so
Maybe we should take a break with that and try our wedges.
Good idea. Also, cutlery here, it's all in it's all like wooden or like biodegradable, which is pretty cool. This is the wedges.
You could have got the loaded ones with the cheese and everything, the bacon and...
Yeah, American Pita Pit definitely doesn't have this.
Yeah, but it did say it was new, so...
I still don't think they would have these.
Yeah, I don't think they would have wedges.
These are quite common in New Zealand, so... You want one, Spade? He doesn't want it.
Not even the dog will eat it. No, it's actually pretty good.
They're okay. I like my wedges crispy, and these are kind of soggy. You know?
They didn't give us any sauce either.
Yeah, I usually need ketchup or sour cream or something.
It looked better in the picture.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm quite underwhelmed. Like, Pita Pit's good because you can just have this nice little like wrap and it's just easy to eat and healthy. But I had a real hard time eating it.
Yeah, it fell apart really easily.
So
it's almost better to eat it in a bowl.
Yeah, that kind of changed my experience on it. But what can you do?
Overall, it's still healthy.
It's still healthy.
Pretty good.
Healthier. What'd you give it out of 10?
7 out of 10.
Yeah, I'd have to agree. Yeah, better than the Wendy's for sure.
Like especially in the Pita Pit, like the taste is there. It's just it's falling apart. It's a little soggy.
Yeah. Spotty doesn't even like the wedges, so.
Yeah, maybe they should stick to just healthy foods at Pita Pit. Trying to move into the fast food.
Yeah, they're trying to satisfy too many people. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna continue trying to eat this with a fork. Thanks for joining us on our review today. Short one, short sweet one. And we're gonna take Spotty for a walk.